Want to ditch that old Amazon gift card lingering in your account? First, head over to the Amazon website and sign into your account. Make sure you're using the same account where the gift card you want to remove is located. Once you're logged in, hover over the Accounts and Lists option in the top right corner of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear. In that drop-down menu, find and click on the Your Account option. This will take you to your account dashboard. From there, scroll down or look for the Amazon Pay section and click on Amazon Pay. You might be prompted to sign in again for security reasons. Just enter your credentials. Once logged in, you should see your Amazon Pay balance and a list of your recent transactions. Look for an option related to managing gift cards. It might be labeled added next to your gift card balance, or something like Manage Gift Cards or View Gift Card Balance. Click on that option. You'll now see a list of gift cards that are associated with your account. Locate the specific gift card you want to remove. Once you found the gift card, there should be an option to remove it from your account. This might be a button labeled Remove from Account, Delete Gift Card, or something similar. Click on that button. A confirmation message will pop up asking if you're sure you want to remove the gift card. Carefully read the message to make sure you're removing the correct card, and then click Confirm or Remove to proceed. After confirming, the gift card should be removed from your account, and you'll see an updated gift card balance if you had other gift cards attached to the account. And that's it. You successfully removed a gift card from your Amazon account.